I'm going to show you guys how to make these masks, and this is the materials you will need. Elastic pipe cleaner, scissors, material, bobby pins, measuring tape, and sewing machine. Give my video a thumbs up and subscribe. Here we are taking our material and folding the corner 1/4 down and then 1/4 again over. And then we're going to iron that down. Steam it, and then you repeat the same technique again on the other side. Now you will sew that corner and you will flip it over and do the same thing with the other side as well. Here you will put right sides together, and then you're gonna sew the corner of it, but leave like a 3-inch gap or 3 fingers width. So I went ahead and put these pins to kind of give you an idea. You're gonna sew those 2 corners. Make sure that you back stitch on these to make sure that they last. Here we are going to take the seam that we just sewed, put that in the middle, pull open the little flaps, and iron that down. Now that you cut 2 7-inch elastics, you're going to stick one corner in and sew it, but you want to make sure that you're back stitching and sewing it really good because you don't want that elastic to wind up falling off later on. You're going to repeat this same step on all 4 corners. Make sure that your elastic is not twisted up, and you want to go ahead and back stitch all 4 corners as well. Now that all 4 corners are done, you're going to want to stitch a straight line down that side right there. And you're going to repeat the same step with the other side as well. Here, you're going to turn the material inside out using that little hole that you created. Next, you want to evenly measure 3 lines. This is where you're going to create your folds for the mask. Now you create a straight stitch down the corners of each side of the mask. This is just to ensure that the mask stays in place and people can fold it back to the same way that you created it. Next, you will take the pipe cleaner, fold the 2 edges off so you won't poke anyone with those corners, and you will stick it in the slit all the way to the top. You want to make sure that the flaps are facing downwards. Next, you want to create a casing around that pipe cleaner so that it won't move around when people wear it. This concludes my video. You want to make sure that you're cutting away any extra thread hanging off. You stick the filter inside of that little slit and you're done.